The hidden power of music, how songs can improve your English. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Have you ever noticed how you can remember song lyrics from years ago, but you forget English words you learned last week? That's because music is one of the most powerful tools for language learning. It engages multiple parts of your brain, making it easier to remember words, improve pronunciation, and even develop natural rhythm in speech. In this video, we'll explore why music helps you learn English faster, and I'll show you practical ways to use songs to improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, and listening skills. Why music helps you learn English faster. Your brain processes language and music in a similar way. That's why songs stick in your memory longer than spoken words. Here's how music enhances learning. Repetition strengthens memory. Songs repeat words and phrases naturally, making them easier to remember. Melody and rhythm improve pronunciation. Singing helps you match stress, intonation, and sound patterns like a native speaker. Emotion increases retention. Music connects with feelings, making learning more meaningful and effective. That's why children's songs are so effective for language learning. They use simple words, repetition, and melody to reinforce new vocabulary. Let's explore how you can use music to improve your English today. Step 1. Listen actively, not passively. Most people listen to music passively. They hear it in the background but don't focus on the lyrics. To use music for learning, listen actively. Choose a song with clear pronunciation. Start with slower, acoustic songs. Read the lyrics while listening. Follow along to understand pronunciation and word connections. Break the song into sections, listen to one verse at a time, and repeat until you understand it. Try this. Pick a song and listen to it 3 times, first just for fun, then with the lyrics, and finally by repeating difficult parts. Step 2. Sing along to improve pronunciation. Singing helps you develop natural rhythm and intonation in English. When you sing, your mouth and tongue naturally adjust to English sounds. Start with slow songs. Choose artists with clear pronunciation. Mimic the singer's voice. Try to match their stress and tone. Slow down tricky parts. Use YouTube's playback speed function to practice at a slower pace. This technique is why many English learners have better pronunciation when they sing than when they speak. Music helps smooth out difficult sounds. Step 3. Shadow lyrics like a native speaker. Shadowing is a technique where you repeat what you hear immediately after the speaker. Music makes this easier because the rhythm gives you a natural timing guide. Listen to a line of the song and pause. Repeat it exactly as the singer does. Focus on pronunciation, stress, and emotion. Gradually reduce the pauses until you can sing along in real time. Try this. Find a song and shadow at least 10 lines today. Step 4. Expand your vocabulary with songs. Songs contain natural, conversational English, including idioms and slang that textbooks don't teach. Make a list of new words from your favorite song. Look up their meanings and examples in daily conversation. Create sentences using those words to reinforce them. For example, if you hear the phrase, "hit the road," you'll remember it better because it's in a song rather than a vocabulary list. Try this. Write down 5 new words from a song today and use them in sentences. Step 5. Choose the right type of music for learning. Not all music is great for English learning. Some lyrics are too fast, unclear, or poetic, making them harder to use. Start with clear and slower songs, then gradually move to more complex lyrics. Best for beginners. The Beatles, Let It Be. Adele, Someone Like You. Ed Sheeran, Perfect. Intermediate learners. Coldplay, Fix You. Taylor Swift, Lover. John Mayer, Your Body is a Wonderland. Advanced learners. Rap or spoken word songs, Eminem, NF, Macklemore. Rock bands with complex lyrics: Queen, U2, The Killers. Try this. Choose a song from this list and practice with it today. Step 6. Combine music with other learning methods. Music alone won't make you fluent, but when combined with other methods, it becomes a powerful tool. Sing along while reading lyrics, improves pronunciation and listening skills. Write out lyrics from memory, helps with spelling and comprehension. Create a playlist of learning-friendly songs. Listen daily for natural exposure. The key is consistency. If you make music a daily habit, your brain will absorb English effortlessly. Final challenge: learn one song in English this week. Pick one song, learn all the lyrics, and sing along confidently. If you do this regularly, you'll see huge improvements in your pronunciation, listening, and vocabulary. Comment below. What's your favorite English song to practice with? Keep singing, keep learning, and see you in the next video.